Okay, how can you delete a font from Gimp? I've been adding several. I'm going to be adding more. And I'm worried that might make the program heavier. I'm adding more and more to the computer, so it's probably best to uninstall them afterwards if I don't need them. This was a font that looked quite nice actually. Athabasca. It's got a nice curve on some of the letters like C, S, B. The A is really nice and T. But I've got to delete things as I go along. I tried this before and I failed. Got a new idea. So, installing is easy. Just open a folder, press install. Now from here, how would you actually uninstall? Let's get a text tool, text. I've done that one earlier. Here's like a space here. Text tool, let's get white so I can see it. Okay, well done. Removing. There can only be, there's probably a limit to how much you can put in, I suppose. So if I want to get rid of fonts, how can I do it? No, I don't think I can do it from here. Athabasca. Let's look at this text tool again. What's on it? There's the type, size, colour. What's in there? What is that? I've got to change the colour to see it. Change kerning, change baseline, strike through, underline, italic, clear. Clear style. Probably take it back to default. Okay. I don't know where I go. Brushes, they're the selectors. That's the rescan, like a refresh. If you've installed something. So the only way I can think of is to go to hard drive, the actual where you've put it. So if I go over here, now Gimp is on Windows C drive, Gimp program files, Gimp 2, share, Gimp 2, and there they all are. Brushes, gradients, icons, blah de blah. Now there's a fonts. This holds empty. Now probably because it accesses from your computer's files as opposed to its own Gimp files, which I'd sort of guessed, because you don't actually install to Gimp, you just install on your computer. So how could I get to them? Font, I've never done this before, you see, so let's see fonts. Font preview and related settings. Let's try that. And I've never seen this before actually. It's quite interesting. Fonts, this is my font setting. That's one I put on Acro Year, like a kind of a psychedelic one. A gentle moon. There's Athabasca. Bream catcher, that's one I put on as well, and cabin. Chiller pod, that's one I put on as nice science fiction style. Oh wow. Cotton, a t-shirt style one, that's really nice. T-shirt sort of comic type font. Gameness. Oh, so I see them all here now. I see it's a Gimp takes from the computer. Comic set, I remember that one. I see. Right. There we are. Font file. And there is uninstall. Let's try that then. Uninstall this font family permanently. Okay. Athabasca. Yeah. I'm going to be putting so many on, you see. Is it going to tell me it's uninstalled? I don't know. I'll probably have to, they're still there, but obviously I haven't rescanned. Let's go back to settings. I don't think that's going to change. Let me rescan that. Still there. It's not letting me do anything. Sort of frozen, really. Settings, Athabasca. Home page. Boy, I don't know. It's frozen my Gimp. I'm going to discard changes, so basically I'm coming out of that. I'm going to come out of that. And I'm going to reopen Gimp. I'll pause for a minute. Reloaded Gimp is still there. I've gone back to my settings, fonts, available fonts, and it's not on there. It has like a filter button here, right, so Basca, and it doesn't appear to be there. I've uninstalled it. So how would it still be on Gimp? It is not my fonts, not there now. Let's look at Gimp. I'm back on Gimp. Let's have a look up. What's it called? Athabasca. So it's A and it's still there. This is particularly unusual. Open. Just get any image to type on. Still there. So I installed it with the install button onto my computer's fonts. I've uninstalled it from a computer, but it's still there. Now I wonder if there's another, because obviously I've got more fonts than that on Word. I know I have. These would be like ones I've added or unusual ones like ink free Japan text. Grace for today and happy, they're ones I added. I mean, there's so many more than that, isn't there? Look, I've just gone down to UI Gothic. I mean, where's Arial? Oh, it is there. But where are others? Where are others? Let's have a look at Gimp again. I mean, look at all this. Barn Shrift, light, condensed. Right, so there's another folder. There's another folder, isn't there? Download fonts for all languages. Could it be that? Have a quick look. This would download fonts for all languages. Well, obviously not. I mean, that's just too much. Christ, this is difficult. I thought it was going to be simple. Fonts. See where is that font? Related settings. Fonts folder. It's taking me on the internet. I don't want that. I'm going to try my computer's hard drive, like a system drive or something, like maybe it's in Windows. There's Gimp, maybe there's a separate 7-zip. Common files in there. No. No, you can't find it, you can't. Pause for a minute and have a look on. Okay, struggling with this. I've deleted it from my settings, but it seemed to be a limited folder in the fonts. Deleted it, it's still there on Gimp. So I had a little look online and I found something here. Okay, option 1, open File Explorer, open this. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm just going to look for it like, I'm just going to look for it like this. Paste. I'm pasting that in, and just so it's in the C drive, Windows fonts. Let's see what happens here. Is it running? Yeah, it's just slow. So here's a longer, hopefully a much longer file set. That looks like more realistic. Yeah. Because if you're adding a lot, like I will be, you're going to have to delete them. It's going to slow things down. So it's still on Gimp. So it must still be here. So let's have a look down. So there it is, Athabasca regular. So I'm actually on the Windows C drive now. If you see up here, Windows C, Windows fonts. So Athabasca, and I'm simply going to delete that. So bang, it's gone from that. So what I done, rather than look for it for all the different folders, I just copy and pasted that. So C drive, if you look in the bottom left here, Windows and fonts. Oh, all there. Type that in and go to that. You'll find it, because that wasn't so easy. That was not so easy looking for that. I thought it'd just be in a Gimp folder. So C, semicolon, backslash, Windows, backslash, forward, fonts. So just type that in there and click. So back onto Gimp and rescan. Refresh, that's like a refresh button. So hopefully that should refresh, and it shouldn't be there. Haven't done this before, mind. I don't know how long that takes. I will yet again. Okay. Finally rescanned. Huh. So has it gone? Texture has gone to sans serif. Now let's have a look. It's taking me to the top. Let's look for Athabasca. Oh, it's gone. So finally deleted AR Arial. So it would have been between them two. Arial Nova Light. Band Shrift. Well, now you know it didn't take a minute. I mean, that was I hadn't done that before. Whew, that was a bit difficult. So that's how you'll uninstall fonts from Gimp. I should do the same for Photoshop, because if you're adding a lot, you're going to have to take them off. File size, computer lagging, and so forth. So there you are. So in the search, I'm just going to show you one more time. Paste that. C, semicolon, Windows and fonts. That's what you have to look for. Okay? Go to there, right click and delete, and it will uninstall. Okay?